Put your hands in your lap. What's your name?
My name is.
How are you?
I'm fine. Oh.
No, how are you?
I'm fine. Oh.
Are you happy, sad? How are you?
I'm fine. Oh.
No. Are you happy? Say, I'm happy. Put your hands in your lap. How old are you?
I'm fine. Oh.
Good job. What's your favorite color?
My color is blue.
Good job. Say, my favorite color is blue.
My color is blue.
What's your favorite animal?
Kimba.
No, animal is tiger, monkey.
Tiger.
Tiger? Say, my favorite animal is tiger.
My favorite is tiger.
Good job. What's your favorite food? Yummy, yummy.
Monkey.
Monkey's your favorite food? No, what's your favorite food?
Cookie.
Huh?
Cookie.
Do you like kimbap? Or pizza or spaghetti?
Pizza.
Pizza. Say, my favorite food is pizza.
Pizza.
Good job. Goodbye, James.
Goodbye.